Thanks, Allison. A norovirus outbreak in Grand County is now forcing schools to close both tomorrow and Monday. Fox 13 News reporter Maithili Gubi shares why health experts say the closure is the only way they can hope to stop the spread.
These sort of numbers are kind of unprecedented in our area and in my experience.
Grand County schools are dealing with a norovirus outbreak. It is highly contagious. The symptoms of norovirus are mainly nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea.
All the medical experts kind of expected that we would see a peak and then start to see a decline. And we just haven't really seen the decline that we were hoping for.
Taryn Kay is the superintendent of Grand County schools. She explains that they started to see the number of students calling out sick rise last week.
This morning, about 17% of our elementary was out. And that's been fairly consistent the last 3 days.
Teachers and staff have been falling sick as well.
We already are short on substitutes before, norovirus. So finding people to cover classes has been challenging.
The preschool, elementary, middle, and high schools in the district are closing on Friday and Monday with virtual learning options for kids. The hope is that keeping students out of school can reduce chances for transmission and give custodians a few days to deep clean.
If we want to stop it and get ahead of it so that we can finish out the school year in a healthy way, we need this pause.
The health department says that norovirus has probably already spread to the larger Moab community as well.
Anybody working in the food service industry really needs to stay home if they're experiencing any of these symptoms, because we can move from having an outbreak in the schools to having outbreaks in restaurants.
The virus can spread through contaminated food or even through the air after someone vomits.
Hand washing is the most key thing, and pushing kids more to wash their hands and all of that. I mean, and I have a 7-year-old and an 8-year-old, and they're terrible at washing their hands. And my job is literally to tell people to wash their hands. And so it's really hard to accomplish and get this through. So
the health department recommends cleaning with strong disinfectants, washing your hands, and staying home if you're sick. In Salt Lake City, I am Maithili Gubi, Fox 13 News, Utah.